Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty God. It's me Porosh once again before you. So after finish my lunch and now I have come to our roof. After coming to our roof and now I am just trying to make a video, and today weather is just amazing. Look at the sky, it's such an amazing weather. The sky has been cloudy since morning, so it's really a nice environment. Okay, so in the morning time when I saw the weather is really nice, I took a decision that after came from my coaching in the afternoon time I will come to our roof, and that is why like 5 minutes ago I have come here, and now as you can see I'm just trying to make a video. And as I am an English video creator, I always try to I always looking for this kind of opportunity, and when I got this kind of opportunity I always try to utilize them and make video. So this is the thing that I always try to do. Okay, so I already request my friend Obijit, who lives at the fourth floor of this building, to come at the roof because I want to talk with him, because it has been a long time that I'm not talking with my friend Obijit. He will come within a very short time, and I'm trying to make a video. So I don't select any kind of topic for this video. I'm just trying to describe the thing that I'm watching now, and about the view, about the weather. So this is the thing that I always do. Okay, so let's tell you what I did from morning to till now. In the morning time I wake up at 6 a.m. and then I freshen myself, and afterwards I took an online class. You will be very glad to know that I teach some students on online. They have learned English from me, and I think it's a great opportunity to teach them and also learning English, because it helps me a lot to learn English. When I teach them, it gives me an opportunity to learn more and more. Okay, and I think it's also a great opportunity to earn some money. As I am a student, I study in two coaching. I have fees for my college. So I think if I earn some money by teaching English, it will be a very helpful for my family as well as me. So that's why I took a decision that I will teach some students online. So as a result, I took an online class in the morning, and after finish that class, then I learned some English spoken rules, and afterwards I took my breakfast, and then I go to sleep for a like a cat nap, and afterwards I wake up again and then freshen myself again, and left my home in order to go to my coaching center. Okay, and after finish my coaching, and then I again came to my home, and I took my bath, and then as I mentioned that I have just took my lunch, and now as you can see I have come here and just trying to make a video. So a really nice environment for making video, and I always looking for this kind of opportunity, as I mentioned, because if I want to be a fluent speaker, then I need to practice more and more, because I know that practice makes a man perfect. So that's why I always looking for opportunities. I don't like to look opportunities. I just try to create opportunities and use them. Yeah, this is the thing that I always try to do. Okay, so this is the view of our city. Look, wherever you look, you just see buildings and buildings. Okay, so just look at this, everywhere buildings, and I am surrounded with the buildings. Okay, so it's rare to find some space in big cities like Naranganj. It's overpopulation and vibrant city. Okay, so the video is getting more longer and longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the best, and always try to keep practicing your English the way I'm doing now. It's a great way to practice English and improve yourself. Okay, so take care of yourself. Bye for now. Have a great day.